Hey, let me show you the size comparison between the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and the Apple Watch Series SE2, and this is actually the 44mm version. So first let's take a look on the front of the both devices. As you can see, they look almost the same. Now I'm gonna actually put them screen to screen. And let's take a look on the thickness. It looks actually the same. On this side, I'm gonna maybe put it a little bit closer to the camera just to show you the better preview. Now we get actually the speakers on this side. So yeah, this is it, the quick video for you if you wonder about the sizes of these two devices. So one more time, this is the Apple Watch SE2 44mm, and this is actually the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.